Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are planning for a new bedroom and you were searching for modern bunk bed designs, then your search can end here. Just give you a few valuable minutes and we will showcase you the best ideas that you can ever think. So relax and watch each bunk bed designs carefully and get some great and innovative ideas from these designs that are recommended by top interior designers all over the world. Bunk beds are all about combining a fun, playful vibe with a space-saving solution that give maximum space and room available. With space becoming such an essential commodity in modern home, it pays to think vertically. Part of many amazing kids' rooms across the planet, bunk beds bring with them a multitude of advantages. Yet modern bunk beds design don't need to be confined to kids' room alone. Even adult bedrooms and guest rooms can benefit immensely from the smart bunk bed designs. Combining brilliant ergonomics with pleasing aesthetics, they come in a wide range of styles and themes. Designing a bunk bed or picking one for your home is not just about maximizing space. Form is an equally important factor, and when picking the right decor for kids' bedroom, it becomes even more vital. As with other aspects of interior design, there is no one solution fit all in case of bunk beds. Since most homeowners opt for bunk bed installation in order to save on space, it is essential that the bunk beds you choose fit in perfectly with the specific requirement of your kid's bedroom. A smart way to go about incorporating bunk bed is to choose custom design and built-in units that are crafted with dimension of the room in mind. A bunk bedroom is a trend that is quickly gaining popularity, not just among large families but also among luxurious retreats and cabin resorts that offer cottages for families. Bunk rooms need not always mimic the boring designs of mundane dorm rooms and have often a casual and exciting vibe that perfectly captures your holiday mood. These large bunk bed units seem all the more cozy as you snuggle under a warm blanket in one of those snug niches even as it starts to snow outside. If you are picking a bunk bed for kids' room, it pays to invest a bit more in bringing home a selection that comes with plenty of drawers and a few smart shelves. Contemporary bunk beds are available in a variety of shapes, sizes, and forms. While some bring together the classic design of a loft bed with a standalone lower bunk, others tend to offer convenience of a fold-away Murphy bed. Some even have cool trundle bed features that allow your kids to quickly tuck away clutter and keep the room sparkling clean. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern bunk bed designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family member. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can choose to visit our website Interior Decor Designs and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. While storage space under the lower bunk is a common feature, there are plenty of bunk beds where the stairs to the top level offer a traditional room for the truckload of toys that your kids own. You can even go a step further and bring home elaborate bunk bed wall units that feature an integrated closet and even a study table. There are plenty of folks out there who will tell you that bunk beds are not for adults. If you are out of your college dorm room and have a spacious bachelor pad, your bunk bed days are likely over. But that does not have to be the case every time. Stylish bunk bed designs can be a part of an elegant adult bedroom as well. If you share a small studio apartment with a friend, bunk bed offers the ideal space saving solution. Just draw a bit of inspiration from the many designs that you see in this video and copy it in your room. Speaking of design styles and themes that fit in with adult bedroom and ambience, the rustic cabin look perfectly fits the bill. Bunk beds are great addition to any bedroom that is struggling to find an additional inch of space. While they are often labeled as decor specific to kids and young adults, bunk beds are popular with anyone who is young at heart. Not to mention they are perfect way to add more sleeping space to your guest room. Maybe it's time for you to revisit the idea of having a good old bunk bed at home. It's not always about storage, space and frugality. One fact about kids, they will not put up with any decor that is dull and boring. Why not make their bunk bed extra special by adding something fun and unique? A slide is the perfect way to elevate bunk bed designs to a whole new level. A climbing rope along with the ladder or even a lower bunk on casters is bound to make the kids' bedtime a lot cooler and more comfortable. If your budget for your new home renovation is low, then you don't need to spend your hard earned money on an interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust in us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our videos and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. There is a common confusion about the length of a bunk bed. Most bunk beds come in standard sizes. The majority are made to fit two twin mattresses. Twin mattresses are usually 39 inches wide and 75 inches long.